Mrs. Bjorklund. I'm so excited that you're joining me today for the food series of upstate New York cooking. How exciting. I wanted to share a little Rochester, New York food history with you. And you can see my hat. Well, Swigels sent Mrs. Bjorklund the famous white hot dogs. They are delicious. And it's so exciting to have them here. They sent them all the way from Rochester, New York to Florida. And they are the official hot dog of the Buffalo Bills. So, I'm going to tell you what we're going to make today. We're going to make a little macaroni salad that's going to go on another Rochester, New York favorite dish called the garbage plate. Now that's sort of a funny name. It's not really garbage, we can see it's food, but it has a lot of fun ingredients. It has potatoes or hash browns, the macaroni salad that we're going to put on the plate. It comes with a hot dog or a couple of hot dogs or some hamburgers, and then over the whole thing is a meat sauce that I'll show you in a little bit. So this garbage plate was originated at a place called Nick Tahoe's Hots, and it was a favorite spot of college students. So let's get going. We'll make the macaroni salad, and don't worry about all the measurements because the recipe will be on our PBDA website. So I'm going to start with, first I'm going to start with some elbow macaroni, and we're going to add some celery and some carrots and a little bit of onion. There's not a lot of ingredients in here, you'll see. It's pretty easy to make, and I bet many of the students would be able to put this together. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, and then a same amount, little bit of paprika. All right. And then we're going to mix this all together with, I used a little bit of mayonnaise and a little bit of sour cream. You could use yogurt, you could use a variety of things, whatever that you would have. And I'm going to put it in there, and I'm going to mix it all up. And you can see sort of a colorful salad. And once we have it all mixed up, I usually like to make it ahead of time and put it in the refrigerator, and it sort of settles and the flavors meld. And once we have it all mixed up, I think that's pretty good. We're gonna, whoops, I'm losing my hat. We're gonna put it on our plate here. And, there we go. Wow, that is a lot of mac salad. And over the whole garbage plate then goes this meat sauce that is made. This is an interesting sauce. It's made with a whole bunch of spices, and it just gets put all over the plate. Very interesting upstate New York specialty. So I have a special shout out to Swigels for sending one of my absolute favorites, White Hots. I had them at 4th of July when I was a little girl. I'd have them at summer picnics, and I absolutely love them. And I think that's so fun that you got to learn a little bit about special foods that are only available in upstate New York. Happy cooking, everyone, and I'll hope to see you soon. Love to you all. Bye.